Question 2. Danny spent 3/8 of his money on a dining table set. 1/4 of it on the cabinet and 1/3 of the remainder. It's important to take note of this word, remainder, on a television and a study table. The cost of the television was $1,200, which was thrice the cost of the study table. How much did Danny pay for the dining table set? For this question, they didn't ask me to find something at first. So I'm just gonna draw my model forward from the first sentence, one information at a time until the very end. Alright, so let's draw. Danny spends 3/8 of his money on a dining table set. Okay, so first information is Danny started with this amount of money. Okay, let's utilize the space. 3 out of 8. So we're gonna partition it into 8 units. 1, 2, 3. Okay, maybe 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, one more. 8. Let me double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 8 units. And out of these 8 units that Danny had, he spent 3 of it on the dining table. So 1, 2, 3. This is on the dining set. Okay, let's move on. This is done. 1/4 of it on the cabinet. What is 1/4 of this? Well, we know that 1/4, it's 1/4 of the entire thing, right? Not 1/4 of the remainder. So it's actually 2 out of 8. We can read it as 2/8, isn't it? The equivalent fraction. So Danny spent 2/8 on the cabinet. So out of this 8, 2 units on a cabinet. And I'm done with this information. And 1/3 of the remainder. Just nice. The number is very nice. This is the remainder here. Okay, this is the remainder. Alright, so let's focus on this remainder. I'm going to cover this. So out of this remainder, Danny spent 1/3 of it on television and study table. So probably over here. This is on a television and a study table. Okay, now I can remove this. Moving on, the cost of the television was 1,200, which was thrice means 3 times, the cost of the study table. Now over here, you think about it. If the cost of the television is 1,200 and this is 3 times of the study table, can we figure out the cost of the study table first? So step number 1, let me minimize this to give myself more writing space. First step, cost of study table. The cost of study table is 3 times lesser. 1,200 I divided by 3. That would be $400. Makes sense, right? This television set is 3 times of the study table. So this is 400. Right now, what can we say about this? Television is 1,200. Study table is 400. So what is 1 unit? Okay, 1 unit will be 1,200 plus the 400. So it's 1,600. Per unit is $1,600. So every single unit here, $1,600. Let's move on to the answer. How much did Danny pay for the dining table set? 3 units. Hence the amount of money Danny paid for the dining table set. So it's 1600 times the 3 units, right? This is what they are trying to find, these 3 units here. So times 3, you will get $4,800. Wow, must be some good quality table set. Okay, 4800. So we are done. Again, to re-emphasize, do you see how I draw my model one information at a time? Alright, regardless how long the questions are, you just focused on the drawing one chunk at a time, one set of information at a time. You build up this model until the very last information. Then you analyze, then you solve.